seem to call me lately, but I don't think she knew me at all.
Hello and welcome back to the Gumsy channel. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube video. So basically, hop into YouTube, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, of course, that's the main thing of today, and like all of my videos. Okay, anyway, never mind. Alright, so basically what you want to do is look for this button. It says, what did I just say? Soy. Anyway, create a video or post. You want to click on that and it's going to come up with two options. Upload a video is the one we're looking at today, unless you want to go live. Then it's going to tell you to select a file. So I've already made a file for this video. Hello. Right, I'm cleaning up this workspace because this workspace is terrible. Okay, so yeah, you get the point. And eventually it gets to about here. So yeah, I actually do clean my workspace. So you haven't been scammed. So I'm just gonna slide that on over here, or just click select file and find the one. So I'm gonna change it. So clearly this is cleaning my workspace. I can't type. Cleaning my workspace. And then AS. Because clearly that's what it is. I mean, do we need any further explaining? Just listen. Hello. Okay, we've heard enough. Right. Once we've given it a title, you can make a description. So I'm just going to put subscribe or why? Or I will eat your ear. I think that sounds about right. Yeah. Anyway, it's just processing the video at the moment, because if you have any bad, naughty people words in it, then they're gonna kick a video out. But there, it's just been processed, so it's cool. It's cool. I'm allowed to have it. So now you upload a thumbnail. So I don't actually have a thumbnail, so I think I'm just gonna find some things I made like ages ago, bro. I'm just gonna find. Let's look for one random thing. So let's have a look at this. Most satisfying video ever. Yes. Okay, we found what we want already. Okay, so that's the one that we're gonna do. If you want to put it in a playlist, it'll come up here. If you don't have a playlist, press create playlist. You can make a playlist. Yeah, whatever. Right now you're gonna say, is this made for kids? Hello. Oh my god. Did anyone else hear that? Hello. No, that's not. No, that is not for kids, guys. That is not for kids. Okay, now it's gonna say, do you want to restrict your viewers to over 18? So if you click that, anyone under 18 can't see your video, but you want views. So you're gonna click this one. I want views, so I'm gonna click this one. If you want to do paid promotion, because you have paid promotion, click on more options. If you have tags, subtitles, whatever you really want, just click more options. But if you're just getting started, this is all you really need. Then you're going to press next. Okay, so if you want an end screen, which is basically, if you see loads of YouTubers at the end of their videos go, latest video, here and point. Basically, that's just an end screen. It shows you latest videos, your channel, etc. We don't want that though. We're just moving on. So do I want it to publish now as public? If I set to public, then it's just going to go public, but I'm going to make it private, because watch and learn, this is how I make mine. If you set it to private, okay, and then go down here, you can set whatever time you want. So let's go find where I am, London, there we go. I'm going to set this to, I don't know, 9:30, why not? I'm probably not even going to be awake by then, but it's going to publish at 9:30 on the 20th. I'll do 19th of February because that's tomorrow. Okay, so on the 19th of February at 9:30, this video is going to get uploaded so you guys can see it. But before then, it's going to be private, so I have time to make an actual thumbnail, because I don't. You know what? This thumbnail's not bad, actually. I'm not going to lie, but I'm going to make a better thumbnail, clearly. Anyway, yeah, and then you just click schedule, or if you haven't set a schedule, then it'll just say upload, and done. Right, I'm gonna click cancel, and as you can see here, it's scheduled. So at the end of that schedule, it's going to be uploaded. However, if for example you don't have a schedule, the moment you press like done, it's going to start rendering your video, uploading the video, and it might take a while depending on how fast your PC is. Well, anyway, there you have it. I've just uploaded a video. It's not up yet, but also, just while we're here, I want to scroll down to one of my videos I made ages ago. Okay, so on the 12th of Jan, I published this video here. Now, this video has 844 views, 39 likes, and 45 comments. Now, every single one of those comments, every single one is a nice comment. None of them are hate comments, and I've replied to all of them. Thank you guys. This is why I make videos. This is what drives me. The fact that I'm getting so many views and so many nice comments and likes, it just really helps me out, and I love helping you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash the like button, show some love by subscribing, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.